Today we're looking at a new battery, and we work a lot with new batteries, but this is a model I have never seen before, and I thought it looked a lot bigger on the pictures than in real life. Even smaller than the other new batteries, and the design. Doesn't Apple have a computer that looks like this? The problem the customer says is it turns up when it goes uphill. 13S, B9P. Let's have a look. I don't see much of screws except for 4 ones in the bottom, and I guess those are holding on to the battery pack. So I would guess there are some flexible panels. Yeah, definitely flexible. There might be hiding screws underneath the pads. Yeah, they're hiding screws. But that one was missing. Maybe someone has opened this up before. Another missing screw. This has definitely been tampered with. Don't think we need to do anything with the handle. We should be able to slide it out. Panasonic cell, but I don't see a BMS. So now I guess we have to do the ones in the bottom. Yeah, now it's loose. Yeah, I think we took it out the wrong side. Should be the one closer to the port. Can we work with this? Do we have the name on the cells? Yeah, it's A. 18650A. We can have it like that so it works. What is this? A loose wire? Did I do that? Or is it the EST is out? Let's just confirm. Now the light is blinking and that is working. So I think that one maybe was out, or it is an antenna, but it looks like a wire. It comes from the UART bundle. The whole connector came off. Poor glue. Let's just see what we can do here. Yeah, it was one of the connectors, so that might have been me. But that's an easy fix. 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. Jag jobbar här. Tänkte inte på det, nej. 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. There we go, 3.4. So we have a low cell, and this is Panasonic. Yeah, it's 15 pins. It should be 14. So the two... Jag jobbar här, idiot. That's the problem. And I think we can fix it.